Hello and welcome to the Key to Your Success tip number 2. I'm your host, Anna Cakebread from Stylist Success Bootcamp. Number 2, it's all about loyalty. What are you loyal to? And why are you? Why are you loyal to this thing, this brand, this place, this person? List it below. You can write a few down if you want to. Tell me why you're loyal to them. And here's why it's important to think about loyalty, because your clients need to become loyal to you. And if you think about this messaging of the brand or the place or the person that you're listing below, there are 3 key ingredients to building that loyalty. That is the messaging. What is their messaging? What is their connection for you? Why are you buying it? Is it consistency? What is it giving to you emotionally and physically that you keep on coming back for more? And think about word of mouth. Is it the cost and value that matches your comfortability of your time or your money? There's something that binds you to that loyalty. So dig a little deep on your loyalty and what you are loyal to that you would recommend to your friends. Now, we're going to switch that over to your clients. Your clients need to find those same values, whether it's consistency, messaging, cost and value, and it's about how you're actually holding up on your end of the deal of what your brand is. So we're going to end with this question. What is your brand? Start thinking about your messaging. You can leave your comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. Let's move on to tip number 3.